Ever walked into your bathroom and wished your mirror could do more than just reflect your bedhead? Imagine a mirror that greets you with the day's weather, reminds you of appointments, and even plays your favorite tunes while you're getting ready. That's the magic of a smart mirror. And the best part? You can build one yourself. It's not as daunting as it sounds. With a little patience and a thirst for DIY adventure, you'll be showing off your very own smart mirror to friends and family in no time. Trust me, the look on their faces will be priceless. So are you ready to ditch the boring old mirror and step into the future of smart home tech? Let's do this. Building a smart mirror might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but I promise there's no sorcery involved. We're talking good old-fashioned tech wizardry. The heart of our operation is a Raspberry Pi, a tiny computer that packs a serious punch. Think of the Raspberry Pi as the brains of our smart mirror. We'll load it up with some clever software that'll transform it into a versatile control center. Don't worry if you're not a coding guru. We'll walk through the process step by step, and I promise it's a lot easier than you might think. Before we dive into the build, let's gather our tools and materials. This step is crucial to ensure a smooth and enjoyable building experience. Don't worry, this isn't a scavenger hunt through a junkyard. Instead, think of it as a fun shopping spree for tech enthusiasts. You can easily find everything you need online or at your local electronics store. Here's your shopping list, and trust me, it's not as long as you might think. First up, a Raspberry Pi. Model 3 or 4 is ideal for this project. Think of this as the brain of your operation. It's small but mighty, capable of handling all the tasks we throw at it. Next, a micro SD card, at least 32 gigabytes. This will store all the cool stuff your mirror will do, from displaying the weather to showing your calendar. A monitor is also essential. The size is your call, but remember, bigger is often better for visibility and aesthetics. This will be the actual mirror part, so choose one that fits your space and style. A two-way mirror is the magic ingredient. It lets you see through to the monitor behind it, creating that futuristic look. A wooden frame, sized to your monitor, will give your mirror a sleek and stylish look. It's like the picture frame for your digital masterpiece. A power supply for the Raspberry Pi is crucial. You don't want your brain to run out of juice in the middle of an important task. An HDMI cable is needed to connect your Raspberry Pi to the monitor, ensuring a clear and stable display. A keyboard and mouse are necessary for the initial setup. Once everything is configured, you can ditch them. Don't forget screws, wires, and maybe some duct tape. These small items can be lifesavers for securing components and making quick fixes. You never know when you'll need a quick fix, and duct tape is the ultimate problem solver. Got everything? Great. Now that we're fully equipped, let's move on to the fun part. Building our smart mirror. This is where the magic truly begins. Bringing your Raspberry Pi to life. Now it's time to breathe life into our Raspberry Pi. This tiny computer has so much potential, and we're about to unlock it. We'll be using a special operating system called Raspberry Pi OS, which is perfect for projects like ours. It's designed specifically for the Raspberry Pi hardware, ensuring optimal performance. Don't worry, it's free and easy to install. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get this up and running. First, download the Raspberry Pi Imager from the official website. This software is a game changer for setting up your Raspberry Pi. This handy tool will help us flash the operating system onto our microSD card. Think of it as preparing the brain for our Raspberry Pi. Once you've downloaded and installed the Imager, follow these simple steps. It's straightforward and user-friendly. Insert your microSD card into your computer. Make sure it's properly seated to avoid any issues. Open the Raspberry Pi Imager and select Raspberry Pi OS, 32-bit, as the operating system. This is the recommended version for most users. Choose your microSD card from the list of drives. Double-check to ensure you're selecting the correct drive. Hit that right button and let the magic happen. The software will take care of the rest. This process might take a few minutes, so grab a snack or practice your victory dance while you wait. It's a great time to relax and get excited about the possibilities ahead. Lights, camera, voice assistant integration. We've got the brains of our operation up and running, but what good is a smart mirror without a voice? Imagine having a mirror that not only reflects your image, but also responds to your commands, making your daily routine smoother and more efficient. It's time to invite a voice assistant to the party. We'll be using Google Assistant for this build, but you can choose your favorite assistant, like Alexa. These assistants can help you manage your day, control other smart devices, and even entertain you with jokes or trivia. First, make sure your Raspberry Pi is connected to the internet. A stable connection is crucial for seamless communication between your smart mirror and the voice assistant. Then open a terminal window and type in the following command: sudo apt-get install python 3 paudio python 3 assistant SDK core. This command will download and install the necessary libraries and tools for integrating Google Assistant with your Raspberry Pi. This will install the necessary software for Google Assistant to work its magic. The installation process might take a few minutes, so be patient. Next, we'll need to create a new project on the Google Cloud Platform. This project will act as a bridge between your Raspberry Pi and Google Assistant, enabling them to communicate effectively. This might sound complicated, but it's just a matter of following some simple instructions on the Google Cloud website. The website provides a step-by-step guide that makes the process straightforward and easy to follow. Once you've created your project, you'll get a unique ID that we'll use to connect our Raspberry Pi to Google Assistant. This ID is essential for authenticating your device and ensuring secure communication. Now the final touch: download the Google Assistant SDK onto your Raspberry Pi. This software development kit contains all the tools and resources needed to integrate Google Assistant with your smart mirror. You can find detailed instructions and the download link on the Google Assistant developer website. Make sure to follow each step carefully to avoid any issues during the installation. Follow the steps carefully, and soon enough you'll be chatting with your mirror like it's your new best friend. Imagine asking your mirror for the weather forecast while brushing your teeth or getting traffic updates as you get ready for work. Remember to test out different voice commands to see what your smart mirror can do. Experiment with various queries and commands to fully explore its capabilities. You can ask it about the weather, traffic, news headlines, and so much more. The possibilities are endless. With a voice assistant integrated into your smart mirror, your daily routine will become more interactive and efficient. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials.